Okay. Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the operation of matrices. Okay. First here operation is addition of matrices. Okay. Here addition of the matrices or sum of the matrices. Meaning is sum of the matrices is a matrix obtained by adding corresponding element of the given two matrices. Okay, before adding the two matrices, what to remember the one condition here, that is always sum of the two matrices is possible only when the order of the two matrices must be same. Okay, this is the first condition. Okay, here consider here some example here. Consider in general here. Okay, in general matrix A11, A12, A13. Next here A21, A22, A23. Okay, matrix A, and consider another matrix B here. Okay, here B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23. These are the two matrices, matrix A and matrix B. Okay, sum of the two matrices is possible only when the order of the matrix A is equal to the order of the matrix B here. What is the order of the matrix B here? How many rows? 2 rows and 3 columns. Therefore, order of the matrix A is, it is 2 cross 3. Then order of the matrix B also, it is 2 cross 3. Therefore, sum of the two matrices is possible. Then what is the A plus B value? A plus B value. A plus B value meaning is adding corresponding elements here. Okay, A11 corresponding element here, B11. Okay, A11 corresponding. Therefore, A11 plus B11. Next, A12 corresponding element here, B12. Therefore, A12 plus B12. Next, third element, A13 corresponding element here, B13. Next, A21 corresponding element here, B21. Next, A22 corresponding element here, B22. And last one, A23 corresponding element here, B23. Right. Therefore, these are the two matrices. Sum of the two matrices possible only when the order of the matrix A is equal to the order of the matrix B. Then sum of the two matrices is adding corresponding element here. First element with first element only, second element with second, and third element with third. Okay, like that. Okay, what to add? What is the order of the matrix here? It is 2 cross 3. And order of the matrix B here, it is 2 cross 3. Then what is the order of the matrix here, A plus B? It is also of 2 cross 3 because 2 rows and 3 columns. Right. Here consider some examples here. Okay, consider a matrix A here. A equal to something 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5. It is matrix A. Consider another matrix B that is also of same order only. Okay, 1, 7, minus 1, 5, 1, 3. Okay, right. What is the order of the matrix A here? It is 2 cross 3. Then order of the matrix B is also of 2 cross 3. Then sum of the two matrices is possible. Then what is the value of A plus B here? A plus B. Okay. What is the corresponding element for 1 here? 1. Therefore, 1 plus 1. Next, 2 corresponding element here, 7. Therefore, 2 plus 7. 3 corresponding element here, minus 1. Therefore, 3 minus 1. Next, 4 corresponding element here, 5. Therefore, 4 plus 5. 1 corresponding element here, 1. 1 plus 1. And last one here, 5 corresponding element here, 3. Therefore, 5 plus 3. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 1 plus 1 here, it is 2, 2 plus 7, 9, 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 plus 5, 9, 1 plus 1 here 2, and 5 plus 3 is 8, right? It is the sum of the two matrices. Order of the matrix A here, it is 2 cross 3. Order of the matrix B here, it is 2 cross 3. Then what is the order of the matrix A plus B? It is also same, that is 2 cross 3, right? Next, here consider another example. Consider another example. Here matrix A equal to something 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, another matrix, matrix B here. It is 0, 1, 1, 0. These are the two matrices. Order of the matrix A is, it is 2 cross 2. 2 rows and 2 columns. Order of the matrix B here, it is also 2 cross 2. Then sum of these two matrices is possible. Then A plus B value. A plus B, adding the corresponding element. One corresponding element here 0, therefore 1 plus 0. 2 corresponding element here 1, therefore 2 plus 1. Next, 3 corresponding element here 1, therefore 3 plus 1. 4 corresponding element here 0, therefore 4 plus 0. The final answer is A plus B is equal to 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 1 3, then 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 0 here 4. Therefore order of the matrix A is 2 cross 2, order of the matrix B also 2 cross 2, then order of the matrix A plus B also 2 cross 2 only. Okay, next consider another example. Consider another example. Here matrix A 1, 2, 3, 4. Consider another matrix B here. Okay, matrix B 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 1. Okay, here these are the two matrices. Then here what to calculate value of A plus B. Before calculating the sum of these two matrices, first what to check the order of the matrix A is equal to the order of the matrix B or not. What is the order of the matrix A here? It is 2 cross 2. What is the order of the matrix B here? It is 2 cross 3. Here order of the matrix A is 2 cross 2 and order of the matrix B here 2 cross 2. 2 cross 3. Therefore both here matrix order of the matrix A is not equal to order of the matrix B. Then A plus B is not possible because A plus B is not possible because here one corresponding element here 1. No problem, 1 plus 1. 2 corresponding element here 2. Next, what is the corresponding element of 3 here? There is no element. Therefore in addition of the two matrices or sum of the two matrices possible only when the order of the matrix A equal to the order of the matrix B. But here both are order is not equal, therefore A plus B is not possible, right? Okay, next here operation of matrices is multiplication of matrices by a scalar. Multiplication of a matrix by scalar. What is the meaning of the here scalar? Scalar meaning is any number. You have to consider any real number here. It may be positive or 0 or it may be negative. Rational, irrational. You have to consider any number. Scalar meaning. Consider here matrix A. Consider a matrix A and K is the any scalar. A is the matrix and K is any scalar. Then K into A is the matrix obtained by multiplying each element of matrix A by K. Here A is the matrix and K is scalar. Then K into A is the matrix obtained by multiplying each element of the matrix A by K. Here consider a matrix A here. Something in general only consider. A11, A12, A21, A22. It is the matrix A. Then find out the value of here Ka. Okay, Ka meaning is for all the each element of the matrix A is multiplied by K. Okay, K into A here. K as it is. What is the A value here? It is A11, A12, A21, A22. Then K into A. Okay, here each element of the matrix A is multiplied by K. K multiple here. Okay, K into A11. Next, K into A12, K into A21 and K into A22. For example, consider here a matrix A here. Consider a matrix A. One, two, three, 4, 1, 5. It is matrix A. Then here what to find out the 2A. Okay, what to find out the value of 2A. Okay, 2A meaning here 2 into A is equal to 2 as it is. 2 is scalar and A is the given matrix here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5. Here this 2 is multiple to all the elements of the matrix here. Okay, here 2 into 1 it is 2. 2 into 2 4. 2 into 3 6. 2 into 4 8. 2 into 1 2. 2 into 5 it is 10. It is the value of 2A. Right. Consider another example here. Okay, it is matrix A only. Then find out the value of 1 by 2 into A. Here 1 by 2 meaning is scalar and A is the given matrix. Okay, 1 by 2 into A. Here 1 by 2 as it is. What are the A value here? Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5. Here this 1 by 2 is multiple to all the elements of the matrix A. Okay, here 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2 is 2 divided by 2. 1 by 2 into 3 is 3 by 2. And 1 by 2 into 4 is 4 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 into 5 is 5 by 2. It is the value of 1 by 2 into A. Then simplifying 1 by 2 into A is equal to here. Here 1 by 2 is as it is. Here 2 divided by 2 is 1. 3 by 2 element is as it is. Again 4 by 2 meaning is 2. 1 by 2 is as it is. And 5 by 2 also as it is. The value of 1 by 2 into A. Its meaning is multiplication of the matrix by scalar. Consider here another example. We can multiply positive also, negative also or 0 also. Okay. If A is the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Here find out the minus A value here. Means here what to multiply throughout matrix A by negative sign. Minus A meaning here minus as it is. What is the matrix A here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here all the element of matrix A is multiplied by minus 1 or negative sign. It is minus 1 and it becomes minus 2. It is minus 3 and minus 4. It is the value of here minus A. Therefore, it is the multiplication of the matrix by a scalar.